There are many different ways that you can insert images into your Smart Notebook file. If I click on Insert up at the top, I can find where it says Picture, and I can browse on my computer to see if I can find a picture that I'd want to add. There we go. All right, so I could do that. I could also, if I'm in Google Chrome, or probably Internet Explorer would work the same. If I want this picture of a jaguar, I just simply click and drag and drop it, and it should end up over here in my Smart Notebook file. There's also the picture gallery that has the gallery of all kinds of things. So if I'm looking for a jaguar in there, I can click search and see what I can find. There's 9 pictures. There we go. Double click. I can bring that picture in. And one other place you might want to check, you can go to this little puzzle piece, and there's actually an image search that's embedded in Smart Notebook. So kind of like the clip art, it actually searches on Bing, and I can click there, and I can decide if I want pictures or clip art. So maybe I want a picture of cake, and I'm going to search for that cake, and I'm going to find one that I like. Oh, Mickey Mouse. Oh, whatever. Let's pick this one. Double click, and now I have my picture of cake over here, and so on. And those are the 4 ways that I would say are easiest to get your images into Smart Notebook. You can also copy and paste from another document if you want.